I'm Jennifer from the Worcester branch of the Wayne County Public Library. Summer is almost here despite the weather, which means it's time for some cold and refreshing iced tea when I get home from work. I like to make different kinds of iced tea, but when I'm in the mood for something out of the ordinary, I like to make lavender lemonade. Now, lavender lemonade is an all-herbal, caffeine-free blend of lavender, of course, lemon balm, and hibiscus flowers. You can sweeten it if you like. You can add a little fresh lemon juice if you like, but this is the basic recipe. It's about 3 parts lavender to 3 parts lemon balm to 1 part hibiscus. So I'm going to make it here in this quart jar, and for that I've done approximately 2 tablespoons of the lavender and 2 tablespoons of the lemon balm and about 2 teaspoons of the hibiscus. Now the hibiscus gives it a little bit of tartness and also a really beautiful pink color. So I've got my quart jar ready and I'm going to pour in the hot water. And you can see already the color is a really lovely shade of pink. And I'm just going to let that steep for 5 minutes, and then I'll strain it and show you what it looks like finished. All right, so the tea has steeped for about 5 minutes, and you can see it's turned this beautiful pinkish red color. So now what I've got is another quart jar, a canning funnel, and a small strainer, and all I'm going to do is strain the herbs out of this as I pour it in. Now, glass jar is going to be hot, so I may have to do this in a couple of sections. There we go. If you wanted to sweeten it, it's good to go ahead and sweeten it while it's still hot so that your sugar or honey dissolves into it very nicely, but otherwise it's good to go. I'm just going to put it in the refrigerator and let it chill for several hours, and then it's ready to drink and be a refreshing treat when I'm done with work for today. You can find the bulk herbs either at a local natural food store, or you can order them online because there are plenty of suppliers of organic bulk herbs that you could look for. You can usually find them in packages of 4 to 8 ounces, which is actually quite a lot. So if you decide to try this, you would probably have enough herbs to get you through the entire summer to make up a jar of lavender lemonade. So for now, I hope you'll stay healthy, be kind, and have a great summer.